Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will configure an additional discount scheme in Logic ERP that will be applied after all other schemes. First, go to the configuration menu and open the scheme campaign setup window. Click refresh. Then enter the scheme campaign name and define the active period. In the scheme campaign phase column, press the space key. For the first scheme, phase 1 will be selected automatically and save it. Now, create another scheme for the additional discount, set its active period, and in the scheme campaign phase column, choose implement in the bill end from the drop-down. This means that after all standard schemes are applied, if this scheme's conditions are met, it will also be applied at the bill end. Next, go to the Group Options tab, select the scheme campaign, and add the required group name. In the Scheme Group Type column, press the space key and select the suitable type, then save it. Next, go to the Scheme Groups tab, select the item category on which the scheme will be applied, and save the details. In the same way, define the group and scheme group details for the additional discount scheme. After this setup is complete, we will define the scheme slab details. To do this, open the Scheme Campaign Slab Details window from menu bar. Select the scheme campaign name. In the minimum quantity field, enter 1, set the scheme basis to quantity, enter 1 in the slab value column, and set the CD to 15%. Once the slab details are configured, click Save. Now select the additional discount scheme because the conditions for this scheme are different. Enter 2500 in the minimum value field, set the scheme basis to value. Enter 2500 again in the slab value column and set the TD to 10%. Here, after the earlier schemes are applied, if the bill value is 2500 rupees or above, an extra 10% discount will be given. Finally, let's see its effect in the sale bill. So, open the sale bill window. Initiate a new transaction with an item belonging to the category for which the first scheme was defined. Proceed to save the bill, and as you can see, the available scheme is displayed and a 15% discount is successfully applied on the bill. Now, the customer adds one more item, and the bill value crosses 2500 rupees. When we save the bill again, the additional discount scheme also appears. Once applied, the extra 10% discount is added at the bill end, as shown in the video.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.